Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club, and welcome to the Weekly Forex Forecast. Today we are preparing for the trading week starting on September 18. A lot of interesting things happening recently on the markets, while the main weight currently is to the Fed. Will the Fed go hike aggressively with the rates right now? And aggressively, I would say at the moment means anything beyond the 75 points or not. The bets, the odds towards 1% or even more are increasing, and we are heading towards these days that we will know the truth. Personally, I would not be surprised if the Fed will go an aggressive hike, but on the same time would change his tone from the very hawkish to more relaxed, calm tone, saying that it is everything under control. It was aggressive move just to take it easy from here forward. I might be wrong. That's just my opinion, but it's definitely gonna be interesting. So for this week, there are two great opportunities I would like to share with you: the Euro Canadian and the Euro Aussie. Okay, but before we go to the charts and I share with you all the technical reasons we have here, I would like to, first of all, if you are new to this channel, then of course, welcome to our fantastic community. And I would like to invite you to download these amazing trading tools and trading solutions we have for our community. These indicators that you see on my screen, the key trading levels indicator, the virtual trading pen, and many more, you can find below this video in the description, the direct links to each of the indicators. But also you can just go to my blog, VladimirRibakov.com, go to strategies and courses, in-house indicators, and you would see here a lot of amazing solutions. Many of them, by the way, are available also for free. So check this out, download them, install, and you will love them. What you see on my screen, that's false break and convergence indicator, key trading levels indicator, virtual trading pen, the one I draw with on my screen. So again, you can find the links below this video in the description or directly from my blog, VladimirRibakov.com. So what do we have on the Euro Aussie and why it's so interesting? Let's start all the way from the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, after these three very slowing waves, what happened here is a bounce beautifully from this supportive zone, and we are talking here about the 145, sorry, the round number, and we got a bullish divergence everywhere while the chart was making the lower lows. We can clearly see higher lows on the indicator, right? Now, this is a strong indication that the sellers are losing their momentum at the moment. What happened starting from there is on a daily chart, we completed two false breakout. As you can see, one low and a pullback, another new low and immediate pullback, completing two false breakouts with moving average divergence. RSI divergence was there as well. Afterwards, RSI climbs above 50 and holds above 50 so far, and the chart, we can clearly see higher highs. This, I believe, is the first ongoing corrective leg of two waves to come. Currently, we can see a strong resistance zone if it's here with the falling resistance line or with this supply area that we are facing here. Plus, it's around the 150 psychological level. That's why I believe we will see some slowdown. If we go to the 4-hour chart, we can clearly see that with these waves, right, they are coming here to some sort of a slowdown, which we see on the levels on the supply area with the bearish divergence developing now, as you can see here on the 4-hour chart. It's opposed to the daily chart, right? It's bearish divergence, while the chart making higher highs, the indicator shows lower highs, and we can see it also on the RSI. Pretty strong sign, and I believe that we should see here some sort of a pullback from this zone, which for the longer run, this should be a great opportunity to buy these dips, and that's exactly my plan here. Okay? These dips, once they take place, go for a longer buy, heading towards this resistance and the swing highs, massive area, slightly below the 155, and then the next one would be here, the volume zone around the 157.75, and we are talking slightly above the 160 as the final destination on this potential journey. So this could be a great opportunity to follow, and that's my personal view. Let me know, what do you think about the Euro Aussie, and feel free to share your view below this video in the comments. Next one on the list would be the Euro Canadian, and I would like to take the chance and to ask your help and 20 seconds of your time. If you find these ideas useful and helpful, please hit this like button below this video. Few words in the comment section would be a huge help to this channel, and thank you very much in advance for your help. The EURAUD, my view here is bullish, and here is why. And once again, guys, a reminder, download these indicators we have here, and not only indicators, a lot of amazing trading solutions. You can go to the blog, VladimirRibakov.com, or directly in the video below in the description. You will find the direct links to the indicators you would like. What you see on my charts, a Fallsburg convergence indicator, key trading levels indicator, KTLI, and a virtual trading pen. So why is the EURAUD so interesting from my point of view? First of all, it's a massive bearish trend without any sort of doubt. But look what happens there on the psychological level 130. It spikes below. Look at all these spikes on the weekly time frame. That's a representation that the control of the sellers is slowly balancing, right? A lot of spikes, which means the bearish money is not controlling that as it did before. Slowdown divergence on the histogram, flipping from negative to positive to negative zone. RSI slows down as well. And the beautiful scenario comes here with the daily chart. Finally, look at that, completing the false breakouts, right? Fake low, bullish divergence on the moving average, histogram, RSI, and this volume. Look what finally happens. For the first time, we can see a close and hold above the volume and above this swing highs line. This is a very strong technical sign from my point of view, and as long as this area hold, I would say even further this low, right? This low is slightly below the volume. As long as it holds, for me, it's buy the dips with aiming to the next target zone, which you can clearly see here around the 135. I believe there is a good chance it will even take us beyond this level. And there are a couple of falling resistance line I would be paying attention to. So the first one would be this area, right? The 135 we were just talking before. I believe that this is where we should be heading. And the next one with a very serious potential, of course, look at all these resistance zone, okay? Here and here. Very powerful area that takes us all the way up to the 140, an area that also would be a meeting point of these two moving averages we can see on the charts, the 50 and the 200. Okay, so I believe that the EURAUD is really gaining a huge potential here for a beautiful ride, and for me, buy the dips is the plan. Let me know, what do you think about the EURAUD as well and the Euro Aussie before? Are you bullish, bearish, and share why, please, in the comment section. If you have any question to ask, don't hesitate. Leave your question in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer as soon as I can. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for watching this video. I invite you to our trading community, the Traders Academy Club, our VIP club, where you will enjoy from all these amazing things as you see on this very image, including the access to our free VIP full price action course, real-time trading ideas, and real-time education with a very supportive community. So join us, join our family with the link below this video in the description. Thank you for your time once again. Best to you and yours. And I'll see you soon with more. Bye for now and good trading week.